In this video, I'll go over how to add a tip on Uber Eats. So they have actually changed it to where you cannot add a tip before you order. So you will see if I go to checkout and click go to checkout. From this screen, there is no option to add a tip, and next I already need to pay. However, anytime after you have paid and the order has been accepted by a driver, then you can add a tip. So when the food is delivered by the driver, you will then get an automatic message that says rate your experience, and you have the option to add a tip. So just wait for the food or drinks or whatever you order to be delivered, and then check out that message, or manually go to your orders in the app right here, go to orders, and then click on past orders, and then from there click on the order, and then you will also be able to add a tip. So that's how to add a tip on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.